Hey guys and gals, I started my project taking off the side-by-side off my 2016 Massimo MSU500. Took the side off to change out this broke signal light and replace it with that one. And I filmed all of this, taking this loose, which ain't no big deal, but my SD card was full and I went in to download the video and it's corrupted or something because my computer won't recognize it. So I'm back out here now. I filmed it with my GoPro and obviously that didn't work out too good. So I'm going to try to film it with my iPhone and we'll see how that works. Now, this is the wiring for this thing, and I gotta see which wire and where it goes and stuff like that. And it is kind of nasty right now. Let's see. That's the other one. Yeah, I can clip that off and find out where these these wires go so I can remove that. I'll probably take this housing off, be easier to access. Take them, I think those are 8mm bolts, but I'll be back.